Good morning, respected teachers and all of you listening to this video. My name is Surya Shanand and I'm a student of GIMS Greater Noida pursuing BBA first year, and I'm assigned to section B of the stream. Today I would like to talk about on someone without a voice. Thus, the topic of my video is on the animal rights. Well, to be honest, it's not just a topic about the animal rights. It's a topic about the fight on injustice. We're talking about the fight against the belief that one nation, one people, one race, one gender, one species has the right to dominate, control, and exploit and use another with the impunity. Don't you think it's wrong that we go into the natural world and plunder it for its resources? And it's not something that we do occasionally. It's something that we do on a day-to-day basis. Some people like us do this on a very low level, but there are some people which do this on a very greater extent. People like us, we feel entitled to artificially inseminate a cow, and when she gives birth, we steal a baby, and then we take her milk, which was intended for the calf, in fact, and we put those milk into our chai and ice cream, right? So this is something that everyone does every single day. But if we think about this deeply, this is really traumatizing for the mother, which is the cow and her calf, right? Now let's talk about people who do this on another level. I would like to give 1 to 3 points about how we are, how there are people who are abusing animals in a very different way. The first thing that I like to point out is that millions of animals are being used in laboratories for testing out drugs and products, and this is really not fair if we talk about in the common sense, right? Because there are alternative ways. We are living in a good technological environment. We have abundance of technologies and resources and everything. So there must be an alternative ways to test out our products and drugs instead of using those on our animals. Second point that I like to talk about is using animals as accessories. Like there are people who sell chicks, which is baby chickens, by dipping them into the color and then selling it. Just think about this. As soon as the baby chicks are born, they are dipped into the color, which is a hard saturated mixture of colors and I don't know what other things, but we have seen that those colors just burn the skin of those chicks, right? And as soon as they are given birth, they are soaked into that color. They are then put into the hot sun to get dried out, and then they are being sold into the market. And the harsh part about all this is that those chicks doesn't even live for even a month. Those chicks just got dead in I guess 2 to 3 weeks. So this is really hard. If I am thinking about this on myself, if I was born and I was put into the color and all these things, this is really traumatizing. The another thing that we all see on the internet and news is about the dogs. People kill them, people torture them, people throw food, people doesn't give them food, they throw them out of the society, they throw them out where they live. And another thing that we all see is that people eat the dogs and all that. So I'm not talking about China. In fact, we all know that what happens in China and how the people eat animals and dogs there. But there are places in India where people eat dogs, where people kill dogs, where people torture dogs, where people even rape dogs. On this world, 100 people have been lived, and right now there are 7 billion people on this earth, and yet we kill 2 million sentients every single week. 10,000 entire species of the animals are wiped out every single year because of the actions of the one, and right now we are facing the 6th mass extinction in the cosmological history. According to me, if any other organism did this to us, a biologist would call them a virus, like we are seeing right now. There is a virus right now named coronavirus which is killing us, and we were killing animals just the same way that coronavirus is killing people right now. So we are not more than just a virus, isn't it? Animal abuse is spread all over the world as millions of animals are abused every single day. Dogs, cats, birds, fishes, cows and many more are abused every single second. And do you know what is the main cause of all this? It is us, we humans. I think we fear the idea of personal change because we feel that we have to sacrifice something to give up something. But human being is so best and so inventive and so creative by which we can create, develop and implement a system of change that is beneficial to all the sentient beings and to the environment. Now I'd like to end this topic, as this could get hours long if we get in detail, but for the conclusion part I just like to say that all the animals have heart, they too have feelings, they too cry. So let's not do injustice to them, isn't it? Let's understand them, let's understand their emotion, and just stop the animal abuse. Thank you.